Do it, just do it. Get up and just do it. Yeah, just do it, my people. Just do it. Show up as a PT, part-time job. It's for your health. Just do it. Good morning, my lovely people out there in the world. Blessings and blessings and blessings. This is Lady.J3962 out here in Northern Virginia, Loudoun County. Happy Friday, blessed Friday. As I do my walk out here today, walking my favorite park, Algonquian Regional Park. I'm showing up. I'm showing up doing my walk, just walking. Walking the areas out here. Enjoying the moments. Look at this tractor. Look at this tractor here, you guys. Isn't that pretty? It's like a little, they have a carrier in the back. But look at the wheels. Look at the wheels on this guy. Isn't that cool? See those two big wheels, and then they have the, and look at the front of it. That is so cool. So yeah, let's continue our walk this morning. It's Friday. To God be the glory, blessings and favors to all my lovely, blessed people out there around the world, near or far. All my subscribers and supporters who's keeping me strong on this journey of YouTube. I enjoy making the videos wherever I go. I bring you sceneries from different places out here in Loudoun County. If I go to Northern Virginia, anywhere around the areas, I bring in videos. So check out the areas, enjoy the scenery, And if you love what you see in the videos, give a comment. All right? Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, giving the love, showing the love. Surely appreciate. And I thank you for coming to the channel. I guess when they have games over here, I think that's a softball or baseball field. And they have all the sitting areas. And inside of there, I guess that's where they sell the drinks or the snacks. They have a lot of sitting areas. Oh, they have another field over here too. See right here? So they have one over here, and the other one is over this side. So you can play baseball, softball, and over here they have where they have the food. If you want to buy food or snack, you could get it through this window. So it's softball. See, they have softball, summer softball camps. So those two fields are for softballs. See, they even have the little screen to tell you what's going on. And they have another window in case you want to buy snacks and drinks when you're at the game. So they have 3 fields. There's one, that's number 2, and that's number 3 over there. That is so cool. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, they have 4. And got another one. Or is that the same one? Hi, how you doing? Morning. Oh, so that's the same one. 1, 2. They have 3 altogether. 3. And you have all the sitting areas right here. When the game is going on, see, there are a lot of seats here. See, they have some over here. And look at the lights up there, guys. In case you out here and it get dark, they have those big bright lights up there. They have one over there too. They have like 3 or 4 or 5 of them around here. And you sit here, that's another sitting area. They have a lot of seats for you to sit out here and enjoy the game, the softball game. So let's go, let's go. And they have a little house on top of there. I don't know what's up there, see? In that area up here. There's a little house there. So I guess maybe security or maybe security watching what's going on from afar up on top. So let's keep on walking. Let's enjoy the park. There's a lot in this park to enjoy. And that's the beauty about having a park like this. You could have different places to walk, scenery. So come along, my lovely people. It's raining today, guys. A little drizzle going on, but I show up because I want to show up. As long as the weather is walkable, I'm going to show up. So I hope you guys out there who's watching the video is going to show up in your areas and put in that 30-minute to an hour walk for your health, mentally, physically, spiritually. It's good for the heart, it's good for the mind, and the body. You know, every organ is saying, yes, yes. When you come out and walk, your knees, your back, your joints, you know, it's like rejoicing. because you're being good to it. You're giving the love that the body needs because you're out here walking. You're putting in the good food, the healthy food, food that the body will enjoy, nutrition food, very nutritious food. You're putting that in the body because the body needs it. A lot of juicing, your water, your fruits, your veggies, you know. The goodness, the same way you want goodness in this lifestyle, your body needs it too. So put in the goodness in the body, my people. Love the body, and the body will love you back by doing right by it. Oh yeah, it's raining. See, we had rain last night. See our puddle of water. But we showing up. Yes, we are. I'm putting in that hour walk today. As long as the rain don't come too heavy, we putting in that hour walk today. So walk with me and enjoy the scenery and enjoy the moments. The guys are out here working on a Friday morning. They're getting their stuff together, you see? They're coming out. So make your walking like a job. A PT on the clock. Good morning. Yeah, there's people out here. My elders are out here doing their thing, you know? So I hope you guys are coming out there. My 20s, my 30s, my 40s, my teenagers. Don't sit on the couch, you guys. Take half an hour to an hour and put in for your physical workout. Treat the body right. Treat the body right, and the body will treat you back and love you back. Good morning. Oh yes, it's a beautiful day. Give thanks and praise to God for the breath of life, you guys. Walking out here in nature, it's a beautiful thing. Oh, they almost finished that playground. See? Got a lot of nice little stuff for the children to come out and play. They almost finished it. Look at the colors. Very, very colorful. Brand new. Spanking new. Look at that. And that's a big playground. See, they have stuff all the way down there, the swings and stuff. That is so cool. All right, so let's keep on walking. I started at 7:44. The temperature was 43 degrees on a Friday morning out here in Northern Virginia, Loudoun County, Sterling area. Yes, and we enjoying the moments. We enjoying the walk. See, we have puddles of water. So we have some rain. Last night. So we out here doing our walk. So enjoy the scenery as always. I try to bring in beautiful scenery because those are good things for the mind. They're relaxing videos and a motivation video for your health. Fun times. I go out there on weekends and try to find some fun places to visit, some trails, some parks, some fun areas. You know, sometimes we need those kind of videos to make us know that there's a lot in the world to do. It's not all about drama. It's not about negativeness, because there's a lot of that on the channels out there. But it depends on the person's mindset, what they want to look at. It's all about you. You have the control. Oh, we got some water. See, a lot of water flowing here. I'll cross over. All right, that was cool. So I hope you guys are coming out, putting in your walk. Cold weather or no cold weather. If it's cold, you bungle up, put on your coat, your gloves and hats or shoes and get on there. The holiday. Remember, Thanksgiving is what, 2 weeks from now? And you know, around November month and December month, going into the 1st of January, 2025, the food is on. The baking is on. The good stuff are in the store, like the cakes, all the seasonal food, the processed food. Stay away, guys. As much as you can, the temptation will be around you, but be mindful. It's just food, and you could have it any time of the year. As long as you're here upon this earth, you could have it. So do not abuse it around November and December month, because it's a holiday and it's going to be, whoa, all over you, all around you. Wherever you go, you're going to see all the good processed stuff. Eat it mindfully. Be careful how you put it in, because those extra pounds we put on, it's not good for the body. 5 pounds makes a big difference on your knees and your back. So be mindful of it. When you pick that food up, that processed food, that sweet, think about your body. Think about the pain it's going to bring into your body, okay? Nobody's saying you cannot eat it, but be mindful, proportion. And most of the time, we don't have that proportion control. We just want it. And sugar is the thing that once you eat it, you want more. You want more. It's very addictive. For me, I've been there and I know. I've been there and I know. I finally got deliverance for so many years. Wow. For so many years, my gosh, I've been trying to get away from sugar. But sugar was running me down. Running me down. You're not going anywhere, girl. I got you, lady. You trapped me for a long time. For almost, 40 years? I said no, maybe 45 years, because I finally delivered. No, maybe almost 50 something years. Yes, truthfully. Yes, and I finally got delivered from that sugar addiction. It is an addiction. Like smoking and drinking or anything that you give so much of yourself to. It's an addiction, okay? And I finally, and I'm serious, that detox, that green juice detox, if you want to get deliverance from certain things out of your body, try that 21-day detox with greens, especially the green juice and fruits. Not too much fruits, but mostly the green, arugula, spinach, kale, whatever green leaves you could find. Put it in there, parsley, whatever it is, just drink it. It tastes terrible. I'm not gonna lie to you. That thing tastes earthy. It tastes very earthy. That's what I would say. Once you put in like little fruits like pineapple in there, when you juice it, put a little pineapple, ginger, bell peppers, apple, just to nice it up a little, because it tastes very earthy. Oh, yes. But when I was drinking it, I said, look, this is for me, my health. So I didn't care what it tastes like. I just deal with it. I just deal with it. I would take a bowl of spinach raw and just eat it like that. No salad dressing, no nothing on it. I would just eat it. Because I said, this is what I have to do for the next 21 days. So I went as far as 14 days, and then I add on the nuts and the seeds, the raw nuts and seeds. I made sure the stuff was raw because you need all the nutrition you could get. Hi, how you doing? Good, good. So I locked in there for that 21 days, and I'm telling you, I may crave the sweet, no. I may look at it, yes. I may taste it, but I'm not addicted to it anymore. And that is a hallelujah. Because moving, 50 something years you've been locked in, trapped in, like a prison with sleep. And I finally deliver myself to know that the healthiest food is the simplest food. You could just throw some potatoes, or you could just have some protein with just some veggies. You could just have simple food. And that's what the body needs, simple things. But somehow we just think we have to have like the big old oxtail, which I don't eat. That was like, ooh, I gave up red meat like, how long I gave up? Like 40 something years. And the reason why I gave it up, because that thing hit my stomach so hard. Whoa. So I said, something is not right. So I gave up that red meat because, ooh, it beat me up in my stomach. So I gave that up way back. I was not a big meat eater of food. I was very picky about my food anyway. My biggest problem was that SUGAR, 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 sugar. The worst food on planet Earth. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Oh, honey, 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 honey. You are my favorite. It was my favorite thing. And I really destroyed it. And it destroyed me too. But thank God for prayer and waking up mentally to know that I have to put in that detox. So my lovely people, as we walk out here, I hope you enjoy the motivational talk with me and the scenery that we have out here in this beautiful park. Out here, Algonquian Regional Park. As I continue my walk, my hour walk, I hope you guys have a blessed weekend and a blessed day, a blessed moment, an everyday lifestyle that is healthy and loving and kind. Wherever you go, it's all about love. Just give the love. It's free. It's free. It's free love from you to another. Hi, hello, how you doing? That's all love. Good morning. Have a great day. That's showing the love. Love is not just by finance or have to do a whole lot for someone. Show the love. Greet them and keep on going. Yes, that's love. That is love. An act of kindness. You don't have to labor for someone to show an act of kindness. As you go on your way, when the Spirit hits you to give the kindness, you do so. All right, my lovely people? We are living in the land where we need to show more love than anything else. We are in this era right now where love conquers a lot of things that you cannot see. So let's give the love, let's show the love, and let's enjoy every moment as God has meant it to be. Every moment, we're living in the moment and giving thanks in every way and everything. It may not be perfect, but we still give thanks. It may not be enjoyable, you may not see what you wanted to see, but you still give thanks. Give thanks in everything. Be thankful and grateful. It's a powerful act of greatness. So on this note, my lovely people, I hope you guys get something out of this video as I walk across by my river. You know I have to check the river out. I hope you guys have a great one wherever you may be around the world. All those subscribers who's there holding down the channel, I give thanks. May God bless you, keep you, guide you, protect you in every area of your life. May He bring you joy and happiness always, no matter what is going on in the world. May He keep your mind and give you greatness in every way. All right, so stay blessed, stay prayed up, and remember, the holidays around coming, so be mindful of what you eat. You have control over that, and enjoy every moment. Okay, love, love, love. Stay blessed. Peace out.